Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 13th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Tropical Storm Gordon forming. He formed this afternoon in the tropical Atlantic. We'll talk about that and which way Gordon is headed. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar currently out of Columbia, South Carolina. Also, the current watch and warn advisory map. Also, we're going to take a look at the tropics. That way you get a chance to see Gordon. And also maybe a system off the southeast coast, which could form into Helene. So, something we'll continue to monitor. And also, we're going to take a look at the 7-day rainfall total across the area as well. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here's the satellite imagery of Gordon. Gordon looking pretty healthy this afternoon and evening out in the tropical Atlantic as it continues to race on off to the west-northwest. But I think Gordon will have a little trouble maintaining strength because the National Hurricane Center, let's take a look at their forecast cone. It shows it as a tropical storm. And then weakening back down to a tropical depression. So we'll show you the forecast cone what they got. Currently only have a little small wind field of tropical storm force winds. Remains a tropical storm through about 2 p.m. Saturday afternoon. Then by Saturday, I think by Saturday about probably around the 5 o'clock or maybe the 8 or 11 p.m. advisory, it should be down to a depression. Remains a depression through Monday at 2 p.m. Then regains tropical storm status again as it kind of meanders in this area here. So right now Gordon looks to remain a fish storm. But anyway, if you're tracking the system at home, it's located near latitude 19.5 north, longitude 39.5 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles an hour with higher gusts, moving to the west northwest at 10 miles per hour. Right now it's classified as a tropical storm with winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour. Alright, let's take a look at the spaghetti models from the National. Alright, here it is. Current position of the storm goes off to the west. One wants to take it to just go to the west and straight out to the northeast. Other one wants to take it to the west. That's why the National Hurricane Center just got it a little going this way, and it's kind of meandering right in here because most of the models are having a tough time if it wants to go left or it wants to go due north or go straight to the northeast. So we'll have to continue to monitor Gordon and see what Gordon wants to do. Alright, now here's the intensity guidance of the system. Right now it has 35 knot winds equal to 40 miles per hour. Right now it's a tropical storm. See, most of the model takes it into a tropical depression for a while and then back in tropical storm status. And then some shoots it all the way up to a category 2 hurricane. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But that right now the Hurricane Center just going with just mainly a tropical storm at this time. Alright, let's take a look at the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar. You can see much of the area just got a few pockets of scattered light showers, that is. The heaviest precipitation down toward Valdosta, Georgia, over toward Statesboro, Georgia, that is. Also toward Hilton Head, that's South Carolina, down toward Savannah, Georgia. Maybe Beaufort, South Carolina, you might be getting a little bit of light shower activity. But most of the activity should remain south of the area, but cannot rule out a few scattered showers overnight as that low pressure system developing off the southeast coast could spin a little bit of rain showers into the area tonight and again on your Saturday. Alright, let's take a look at the current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got some wind advisory over Montana. Also we have some air quality alerts here in areas of Idaho. We got some winter weather advisories down here in areas of California around the mountain range. Red flag warnings over Wyoming. Also across southern California. Can't get it out. Southern California, more air quality alerts there. And there's a flash flood watches in effect from Tennessee to portion of northeast Mississippi, much of Alabama, portion of Georgia. Even got some flash flood warnings and also some flood advisories in Georgia and Mississippi and also Alabama as well. We got small craft advisories, gale warnings from up here from Virginia to northeast Florida. Also, we have some flood watches and hydro issues over towards northeast Florida as well, and also southeast Georgia. Special marine warning along coastal areas of the Big Bend and Florida Panhandle as well, and also some more small craft advisories from Oregon to Central California. Hawaii and Chain Islands, south side, got some small craft advisory. North side looks good. Around the Alaska area, got small craft advisory. Gale warnings there. Also some high surf warnings, high surf advisories there as well, and some coastal flood advisories there also. All right, let's take a look at the tropics. Once again, this is the wider view across the tropical Atlantic. All right, you can see here's Francine located over portions of Arkansas. Here's that system off the southeast coast. Right now has a 10% over the next 2 days. Over here has a tropical storm Gordon there and again there as well. All right, and here's the rainfall totals across the lower 48. The heaviest precipitation off the eastern seaboard from up here around Washington, D.C. to the portion of the Carolinas down to Florida, stretching all the way back through Mississippi, Alabama. That's what's currently going on now, and also going up in the portion of Missouri and also Arkansas, and also across Cuba and the portion of the Bahamas. Also heavy precipitation over Mexico, also across portion of Canada, stretching down into portion of Nebraska through the Dakotas, Minnesota, also into Montana, Idaho, Nevada, Oregon and Washington State as well, northwestern California, and a few pockets here in Arizona, New Mexico, and Colorado also. Elsewhere, lighter amounts expected to no precipitation also as well. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next videos. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks, and enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.